welcome back. In this video we are going to be using the method of long division. 8 divided by 12. No. Let me keep this aside for now and use a more simpler example so that we can get the hang of it before we move on to more complex ones. So I'm gonna use 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. Going by previous explanation, 24 can be rightly regarded as the numerator and 8 the denominator. But for the sake of long division, however, we will use different terms. So 24 is going to be the dividend. And 8 the divisor. So we're not going to be using numerator denominator stuff again for long division. It's going to be dividend and 8 is going to be divisor. So this is how it's going to be. First, we draw the division bracket. This is the division bracket. Put the dividend inside the bracket. 24 is the dividend. Put the divisor outside the bracket. 8 is the divisor. Divide the dividend by the divisor. Going by previous explanation, we will divide 24 oranges by 8 people. Each one of them will get 3 oranges. But there's another way of doing this, which is to use your multiplication table. If you are using multiplication table, for example, you say 8 multiplied by what gives you 24. Eight multiplied by what gives you 24. Let's do it and see. 8 multiplied by 1 gives you 8. 8 multiplied by 2 gives you 16. 8 multiplied by 3 gives you 24. So going by your multiplication table, the answer is going to be 3. The answer is going to be 3. So this is how you do it. Oh, sorry. So this is how you do. So we have 24 as the dividend, 8 as the divisor. 8 into 24, we have a 3. So 3 should be written at the top here, known as the overbar. So 3 multiplied by 8 gives you 24. Now you subtract. First you divide 24 by 8. You get a 3. You put it on top of the overbar. Then you multiply the result you got by 8 by the divisor. It gives you 24. You place it under a divisor. Then you subtract the 2. 4 subtract 4, we have a 0. 2 subtract 2, we have a 0. That's that. So 24 divided by 8 is equals to 3. The number at the top of the over bar is called the quotient, and it is your answer. The 3 is your final answer. So in summary, this can now be written as again we say 24 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor, and 3 is the quotient, which is your final answer. 3 is the final answer. That's our final answer. Okay, in the next video we'll look at more complex examples.